Hi, this is Eta Davis from Fairfax County, and welcome to our Test Track to the Future event here. We're holding this event to teach everybody here in the community about the connected vehicle technology that's right here in Fairfax. We've got over 70 miles of connected roads, and we wanted to learn about what the impact will be on the county. We're about to take a ride in a connected vehicle, and I've got John Estrada here with me. He is the CEO of a local tech company called eTrans.
Hi, I'm John Estrada, CEO of eTrans Systems. We build software solutions for connected and autonomous vehicles. We see this as an amazing technology that's really going to change things in the future. The biggest impact, though, is it's going to save lives. 35,000 people die on the roads every year in the U.S., 1 million worldwide, and with connected and autonomous vehicles, they expect we can reduce that number by up to 80–90%. It's a really exciting field to be in, and I think Fairfax County is a great place for make this happen, and we're really excited to be here and participating at the event. So you're going to go for a ride here in the car. The car is going to take you on showing vehicle-to-vehicle communications and how that could improve safety in the vehicles. It's also going to show you vehicle-to-infrastructure, where we've connected to traffic lights and speed signs and construction areas so that you know you can slow down when you should slow down.
Ready.
All right.
Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Rob Bailey with eTrans, head of the technology group here, and we'll take you through a ride today showing off connected vehicle technology. So you can see from our map down here, this is kind of the course that we'll run through today. So we'll run through some different zones with speed warnings, and we'll interact with a vehicle and a traffic light as well. Alright, so the first thing we do is we come around the corner here. Is we'll interact with a speed zone, and so we have this other version of our application, which would be an end user type of application to give someone who's driving in information about what's happening. Alright, so we'll go into our speed zone, and we'll speed up a little bit. It's not that fast, but
please check your speed.
So we've been notified by speed, saying we're going too fast. And the next thing here is we'll come into a zone that's been identified as a curve. So as we go through here, we'll be notified that we're in a curve. Now we'll interact with another vehicle coming from the left. So what we'll see here is we'll get a warning. That vehicle would collide with us if we both kept going at the same speed. He's going to slow down. Then we'll go through a construction zone. Alright, and the next part we'll do is one of my favorite ones here. So we'll enter this other car. He's going to go forward, and what we'll be notified of is that he does a hard braking maneuver. So what's cool about this is that there could be multiple cars in between us, and we would still get that information, and so we could take some action sooner and not cause a pileup or a more serious accident. And then the last part we do here is we'll interact with a traffic light. So that light is broadcasting out its state and timing. And another thing you also see is the light will recognize us, and it'll do a little flashing sequence here. So we'll come into the approach. The light flashes, recognizing us.
Warning, red
and then we're going to notify it's a red light. Even though the light was green, it knows it would be red by the time we got there, based on the timing that the light's broadcasting out.
All right. Thank you.
You bet.
Welcome back. The future is now.